when it comes to life insurance, there are various types of plans you can purchase. Two of the most popular options are endowment plans and term plans. Both serve different purposes and cater to different needs. Let's explore their key features, benefits, and differences to help you make an informed decision. Endowment plan. An endowment plan is a life insurance policy that combines insurance coverage and savings. It pays out a lump sum amount on death or as a maturity benefit at the end of the specified term. Here are the key features. It provides life cover along with the savings component that helps in building a corpus over time. If the policyholder survives the policy term, they receive the maturity benefit, which includes the sum assured and the upward bonuses. In the event of the policyholder's death during the policy term, the nominee receives the sum assured plus any bonuses accrued. Depending on the performances of the insurance company, bonuses may be added to the policy. Term plan. A term plan is a pure life insurance policy that provides coverage for a specified period. It pays out a death benefit to the nominee if the policyholder dies during the term of the policy. Here are some key features. Offers high coverage at low premiums with no savings or investment component. Provides a sum assured to the nominee if the policyholders die within the policy term. No benefits are paid if the policyholder survives the term. Policy term can range from 5 to 40 years depending on the insurer and policyholder's need. Both the plans offer tax benefits under the Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Here are the key differences between the two. You can pause your screen to have a better look of it. Choosing between an endowment plan and a term plan depends on your financial goals, risk appetite, and the insurance need. Opt for an endowment plan if you seek both savings and life cover are comfortable with higher premiums and you want guaranteed returns along with insurance. Opt for a term plan if you need high coverage at an affordable cost and prefer pure protection without any savings component. Always assess your financial situation and consult with a financial advisor to choose the plan that best aligns your long-term goals and needs.